In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube channel URL. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on YouTube on my channel page. Now, if you come up to the top left-hand corner, you can see my current URL up here, which is youtube.com/Tech Tutor tutorials. Now, to go ahead and change this, all you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and click onto your profile icon. And from this drop-down menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So once you've given that a click, you're going to be in your studio, which is going to look like this. From here, what you want to do is come across this menu on the left-hand side and click onto the customization option. On the customization page, if you come up to the top, you want to make sure you clicked onto profile. Then what you can do is just scroll down a bit on this page until you get to the handle section. So as you can see, it says choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days, and handles can be changed twice every 14 days. To change your handle, all you need to do is basically click into the box here and change this to whatever you want. So for example, you can change it to something like Tech Tutor example, just like so. And once you've done that, be sure to come up to the top right hand corner and click the publish button. Now after doing that, that's going to go ahead and save your changes. And of course, once you reload and come back onto your channel, you will notice your channel URL will now be changed. So that's how to change YouTube channel URL. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.